What's up, guys? Recording on the new GoPro. Heading down to Abernathy's to get some parts for the 420. Hopefully we'll have it back together by tomorrow, or we're gonna have it rolling around hopefully by tonight and have it fully rideable and maybe go on a ride tomorrow. So probably gonna title this video maybe the comeback of the Rancher. I don't know, we'll just see. Got anything to say?
West Tennessee Motors, baby. Wait, I think I did it backwards. There we go.
Got anything?
We've been through some ups and downs with this four-wheeler. Hopefully we'll get her straightened out today. My God, come hell or high water, we're gonna try.
I don't even remember how I done it now.
Yeah, we're gonna try our hardest. So I'll probably pick y'all back up at Abernathy's in Union City. We're in Dyer right now, or we're almost in Dyer right now. So I'm getting 29 miles to the gallon. That's about 20 gallons better. I mean, 20 miles per gallon better than mine. So
Try not to die going 81.
yeah, we're going pretty fast. So we're making up time because they close at 4 and it is 3:20. So
try not to die.
try not to die.
Michelle, don't be mad.
She knows this car's fast.
She knows we full send it.
My mom watches all the videos, so she'll watch this and be like, yeah. So we'll pick y'all back up at Abernathy's. All right, guys, we're here at Abernathy's, about to pick up some parts. They got a bunch of freaking side-by-sides here. Where do we go in? Not an entrance. Oh well, this is not an entrance, so here we go.
I think we've been cleaning out.
Excuse us, sorry about that. Wow. Hey, how are you? We're here to pick up some parts. Yes, ma'am. We're here at Abernathy's finally. Took about an hour or about 45 minutes with my driving, so check back with y'all in a few minutes. Well, we got our parts that we needed, some studs for the exhaust for the Rancher, and I ain't never seen a Polaris with these headlights in it yet, so I thought that was pretty cool. We're up here to Abernathy's again. They were super awesome to find some extra nuts to go with the studs. So, and also on the 2020, I think these are 2020s. Thought that was pretty interesting how they had the snorkel for the exhaust on the belt. So, hey man, how are you? Oh, just YouTubing. I own a YouTube channel, West Tennessee Motors. So we just drove up from Jackson to pick up some parts, and so just I don't know if I like that. I don't like the aerodynamics, or that's probably for aerodynamics, but I don't know if I agree with that. Han, what do you think about this? You're not really an ATV side-by-side guy. Let's get your opinion on it.
What do you think about this versus that? Or this?
Which one would you rather have?
Any of them, all three.
You got to pick one. Would you rather want the high lifter, the brand new 2020 high lifter, something that looks quite a bit like a rock crawler, or a regular non-basic 1000?
No, I need a new vehicle, so I just take this one.
They're all new.
Winter, rain, it don't matter. I drive it to work.
Tracks. You won't hardly ever see this on a showroom floor. Mint condition, 304 tracks. No, it's not, but it's up here in the showroom. It's pretty cool. But this one's used. I feel like that. Yeah, this one's used too. I've ever seen these before. They also have gator waders here, so.
Yeah, we got a part. Okay.
Back outside. It's kind of chilly now. A 500p. Oh. Man, I just love the look of these new Polaris Rangers. It's all light bars. It's cool. The new Rangers are just sexy. This one's sitting up pretty good. It's got some really good ground clearance from the factory. There's a factory one compared to one with tires on it. Wheels and tires. Well, y'all, we came up here to get what we were gonna get, and we're about to head back to the house. Or head to eat somewhere. There's a 4-door, brand new Polaris RZR. All right, y'all. Probably pick y'all back up when we go to eat or when we get back to the house. So, y'all hands got anything to say?
Follow West Tennessee Motors on Facebook.
Like, subscribe, comment.
And ring the bell.
Alright guys, just got done putting, me, Cody, and Tyler just got done putting the 420 back together. I know it's completely, my garage is completely trashed. Seat needs to be recovered still, snorkel's fixed, exhaust leak is fixed. Alright guys, here we go.
Valve still ain't good, Justin.
Hey Jacob, can I try it? It is. It's cold, dude. Ain't been raining forever. Steam.
Alright guys, it's pretty chilly this morning. I don't know if I can see my breath yet. Might not be that cold. About to grab the waders. Don't know if I'm going to take the Polaris and the 850. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to take the Polaris and the 420 or the 850 or the 420. I'm thinking about pulling the 850 up on the front railings and see, or I might pull the 420 on the front rail and see if I can get the get both of them on there just in case something goes wrong with the 420. So we'll just have to see. Check back with y'all here in a few. Alright guys, after I almost messed up and drove the 420 over the railings, which I didn't pick up the camera for that because I felt like a real idiot. Had my little brother come out here and help me. I had to hook the 850 to the 420 and have my little brother drive the 420 in reverse and four-wheel drive to get it back over the ramps. And then I was like, I'll try the old caddy corner. And yes, I know I'm missing lug nuts. It's a project. Who cares? It still rides. But yeah, caddy cornered the 420. It's got a 3-inch stretch on it. It'll these tires used to be on it. See the clearance, and there's the stretch itself. It's pretty rag now, but it's mint. Still a little mint. 850 didn't get no love. Didn't get no love this weekend. So it poured down rain here, so gonna wash out the radiator on the 850 real quick. Then I'm gonna head up to Love's in Jackson, Tennessee, and meet up with a couple other guys, and we're gonna head to Trace and meet up with another couple guys. So pick y'all back up when I get to Natchez Trace or in the truck. Who knows?
creeping through. Yeah.
Hey, see why we're waiting?
Got action. Your front skid plate coming off. Pick up on the back end. Then I have to grab the brake. Sweet. Try hitting it. Yeah, I can't get by.
first gear. Don't gas on it hard. Just barely hit the throttle and lean it. His first time riding on the 420. Hey, put all your weight on that side. There you go. You turn the fan back on? Yeah. All right, sweet. Walking it. Walking it. Heck yeah! Need a pull?